Maternity nursing bra. For orders, please check video description. This one is maternity nursing bra. Okay, this is front part, upper part, back part. This one is back part. Okay, final part. $4 off for each $20. If you buy 2 get 5% off. Okay, so if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Different color. Okay, and this one is another color. This one is black. Okay, and this one is white. Maternity nursing bra, lightly padded wireless bracelet for pregnant women. If you want to buy this product, please check video description.